The Nairobi Center for International Arbitration, NCIA, has launched its 2022-2027 strategic plan. The NCIA, is a state corporation under the Office of the Attorney General and is Kenya's premier international arbitration center. The center was established in 2013 and has gained a reputation as a neutral venue for the conduct of international arbitration and other alternative dispute resolution ADR services. During the launch, Jacqueline Oyuyo, who is the chair of the NCIA, said that the strategy will yield results, catapulting the center to be recognized internationally and link its mission and vision to everyday dispute resolution. Tess Njenga now reports.
2 and 1.
Nairobi Center for International Arbitration, NCIA, has launched the second cycle of its strategic plan for 2022 to 2027 at an event in Nairobi. The launch is a key milestone recasting NCIA's long-term goals in repositioning the center to take a leadership position in the field of alternative dispute resolution, ADR, both regionally and internationally. Deputy Solicitor General Jerry Wachira represented the Office of the Attorney General, Justin Muturi, during the event, congratulated the NCIA, noting that the institution will boost trade and economic development for Kenya and Africa and guard against crime.
The preference for Nairobi as a neutral seat is also recognized by, among others, the Singapore Convention on Mediation, which facilitates international trade and commerce by enabling disputing parties to easily enforce and invoke settlement agreements across the borders. It is also recognized by the Agenda 2063 Continental Framework for Boosting Intra-Africa Trade, BIAT, which seeks at increasing volumes of trade within and across regional economic integration blocs.
Principal Judge of the High Court, Justice Eric Kennedy Ogolla, while delivering the keynote address on behalf of the Chief Justice, said that the center's strategy will serve to strengthen and expand the justice system by facilitating alternative dispute resolution in the country that will reduce case backlogs in courts.
These alternative forms of dispute resolution allow for the resolution of disputes outside the courts. By commanding us to embrace the multi-door institutional approach to the pursuit of justice, the Constitution is alive to the need for efficient and timely delivery of justice. It should be appreciated that the courts are not the sole forum for the delivery of justice.
The future is that ICT and technology are going to impact the practice of law to an extremely large extent. It is no longer be limited to the border, and so we need to begin to look at those challenges and ask ourselves, how do we prepare ourselves for the challenges of tomorrow?
Jacqueline Oyuyo, who is the chair of the NCIA, said that the strategy will yield results, positioning the center to be recognized internationally and link its mission and vision to everyday dispute resolution.
We therefore anticipate that these strategies and objectives will increase access and adoption of ADR mechanisms in settling of disputes while ensuring affordability, availability, and access to justice. We are confident that this strategic plan will yield improved performance in the overall service delivery of the center to its stakeholders and consequently become a world-class alternative dispute resolution center that is increasingly recognized and valued by disputants and the ADR community both locally and internationally.
The NCIA was on the 5th of November 2022 awarded the Arbitral Institution of the Year Award during the 3rd African Arbitration Association Conference held in Accra, Ghana. The Arbitral Institution of the Year Award is awarded to an arbitral institution that is adjudged to have been the standout arbitral institution headquartered in Africa, having regard to its work and organization. Reporting for Hope TV News Watch, I'm Tess Njenga.